Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify appraisal requirements with Fannie Mae guidelines, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify appraisal requirements with Fannie Mae guidelines, begin by familiarizing yourself with the Fannie Mae Selling Guide. Access the official Fannie Mae website to obtain the most recent version of the Selling Guide. Once you have the guide, locate the section pertaining to appraisal requirements. Review the specific guidelines outlined for different property types. Identify any specific eligibility criteria, such as loan types and property conditions. Pay special attention to the appraisal forms recognized by Fannie Mae. Next, verify the qualifications required for appraisers. Ensure that appraisers are compliant with state licensing regulations. Confirm that appraisers have experience relevant to the property type being appraised. Check if the appraiser is on the Fannie Mae approved list. Review the timelines provided for appraisal submission and completion. Understand the required documentation that must accompany the appraisal report. Make note of any additional requirements based on property location, such as flood zone determinations. Ensure that the appraisal complies with Uniform Standards of Professional Appraisal Practice, or USPAP. Document all findings to maintain a clear record of compliance. Lastly, communicate any discrepancies or issues directly with your appraisal team or lender. By following these steps, you can effectively verify appraisal requirements in line with Fannie Mae guidelines. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.